In this video, I'll show you how to set take profit and stop loss for your positions. First, open the order entry file, comment out all the lines except the ones for take profit and stop loss. Also remove the variables on these lines. Let's start with stop loss. We have a short position on the ARB token and want to set both TP and SL. Currently there are no TP SL orders for ARB. In the file, you'll see two examples, one for creating stop loss for long positions and another for short positions. I comment out the long example and remove that value from the return. Then I set the trigger price for the stop loss. Next, we do the same for take profit. Comment the unnecessary lines and set the new trigger values. Now save the file and run it with this command. If you check your positions on Reya, you'll see that both TP and SL are set on your position.